quote to do, and then it is back to a Hawthorne site to do a final clear up and also pick up some firewood today. So no major tree works going on, but yeah. Wind coming through today, so looking for a reduction of the elm. So we've got a nice elm reduction, pollard it back in. So that's that quote done. I'll get that sent off today, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Probably got a few hours just raking up, getting rid of all this, a couple piles to get rid of. It's like 11 o'clock, so going well. Yeah, I'll chuck it on the back of the ute and get out of there. Nice to get this job done. Wrapped up for this one. All piles chipped up and all the debris cleared up. Yeah, job's a good one, mate. Rain's come, guys. So we got a meeting with a crane driver this morning, and then got a quote at 9. And then we're cutting some gum and transporting it to the woodyard today. Then Wednesday I'm gonna, well, this is Wednesday, this is the chill day. Yeah. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, we've got a big job starting. Done a couple of quotes. Gonna try and move some of this wood out of here today. Just got to the firewood yard. This has gone 7:30. We've got a job in Athol next 2 days, taking down 5 poplars. Well on our way here. Right, we just pulled up. A little bit of rain. Poplars are up there. The first 5 are coming out. over the next 2 days. Just checked out the trees, they're looking good. I'm gonna more than likely just set up some ropes today, put the pulley up. I need to fell a few bits out just to clear the way for tomorrow. Yeah, I'll show you guys the job. Okay, so we've got 5 poplars to come out above this lodge. Plenty of rigging. Today I'm just gonna establish an anchor in this middle one and something to rig off, and then take a few leaders out in here, take this middle one out. It's easy enough. Yeah, just get ready for a big rig sesh tomorrow really. Just stacking and cutting up the firewood. Yeah, taking it slow. Weather's not amazing, but it's all good. It's Thursday. Hope to be out of here by tomorrow. Okay folks, setting up anchors.
Something makes sense now.
Getting somewhere.
I saw the opening of a paper you wrote 30 years ago on shamanism.
I'm gonna rig this off.
Civilization. It reads, the mocha of the major focus of this paper. Sex, puppies, and headhunting will be shown to be related to ancient mocha shamanism. So now I understand. I was like, what, the puppies? Yeah. Alright. And the headhunting. That's the decapitator.
And I've added rock and roll to that list since, actually.
Just gonna rig this section off now. Right out on a limb here. We got into it. That pole I can fell. Got my anchor in the middle. Yeah. Clear up this now and probably do a bit of felling this afternoon and get out here. Come back tomorrow and rig that main wood out.
Fuck, isn't that the coolest shit?
Pretty gnarly, eh? Show you why I did that. It's got a horrible mushy cut. I kind of had to do it from up here.
Oh, nothing like destruction, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got this. Look at all this shit. I'm not cutting into that. That's good. It's all cut up for now. GoPro's steaming up like one It's pissing down. Day one, over. We got rain again in Queenstown. It is 7 o'clock. Now leaving to pick up Wilson, my groundie. And yeah, we've got one tree to fell this morning. Cut that up and then do a bit of dismantling on this other two. Wet today.
Right, take a minute, go back.
Nice. That was decent. Yeah, nice. Yeah.
That's us done. Well, I'm going to just eat some of this stuff.
Oh, you got, yeah, you got
Got to drive around the front just to check it on a quote. Feet are so full of water. And that's it, that's that gap made. 5 poplars come out. Went well. Cheers, Wazzy. Oosh. The aftermath. A lot of wet gear. This is annoying.